Hi there, you guys, you YouTubers out there. Welcome to another little video of the RC Whisperer. And well, today I'm just sharing some parts I've made for some radar controlled cars. So far we've had the Traxxas Summit and the Traxxas T-Max winch plates, and here we have the Tamiya Hummer or the Humvee. And well, I've also done quite a bit to this little this little Humvee. And as you can see, there are some little parts laying here. Unfortunately, this one only comes with a set to mount this front bumper onto here, so I've provided some screws and some washers. I also drilled in and tapped out for it to mount onto your bumper here, so you don't damage the front of your car or of the body, because I have seen many bodies damaged. And what tends to happen is that this part here for the searchlight breaks off when people bump into something, or the front part here. So, but what I did is, I apologize, I bumped into the camera, into the tripod. I made a bumper for my Humvee here. Just have to loosen these screws off and then the bumper goes forward. But if you watched my YouTube videos, and I do have this Humvee, and you can see in the photo or in the thumbnail that the bumper is forward. So, but the thing is, I don't I don't really need this, but I did make it to if someone buys this little set, then you will get this little bumper with it. This is your little winch plate. I drilled out I drilled out. Here you got some screws, some nuts, and some washers to mount onto your chassis here. Oh, let me just. Oh. So as you can see, I've mounted my little winch onto here, and it works perfectly great. When I put the body on, I can show you a bit of how I did it. This set comes with an ESC. It's an XL5 from Traxxas. It's waterproof. This little 550 motor. And well, obviously, if you have a Humvee, you do have a motor, but I mean, then at least you got an extra one here. And obviously, I'm not going to, like I said with my Summit and my T-Max videos, I'm not asking a load of money for these parts. And here you got the little drive shaft. And so obviously it's on length, and I had to file out these little notches here in order for it to fit into here. And you get that with a set, the little winch plate and the bumper with this set. I do have other sets, of course, and they just have the winch plate and the drive shaft. And I've got other sets that you only have the winch plate. So if you just want a winch plate or a drive shaft, just let me know. The thing is that I've tried selling them through eBay, but eBay has a new paying system. So if one of you guys out there know how it works, send me your email and we can get talking a bit, or I don't know, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or something like that. So at least we can chat. We can if you can help me out a little bit, because I've tried to look up YouTube videos, and oh my gosh, you type in one thing, you get 20,000 other different things. So I can't really, I can't work it out. I've tried it myself, and I've tried clicking on so many things, and I just can't get it right. So the thing is that I had to let down a few people down. I had to let a few people down because I don't know how this paying system works, but the thing is that with me, what you do is that because I don't have the funds to pay for the shipping costs, so what you do is that you I can figure out how much the shipping cost is going to take, or where you live. So you're gonna have to give me your address. I can figure that out, how much that's going to cost. You pay the shipping costs, put it onto my PayPal account. From my PayPal, I put it onto my account. I can buy a label, a shipping label for you, stick it on the box, and then send it to you when you receive your package. Just then you can pay for the parts. So you know that guarantee I'm giving you guys, and I will send you the parts. But anyways, and just to get that all sorted out. So, but hey, if you know friends or family guys like RC stuff, and I'm here to inform and to entertain you, give you top tips and tricks with RC stuff. Just watch my videos. Some of them I do provide some tricks and some tips on how you can do certain things if you don't have a lot of money. Oh, let's just get the and if you watch it's my very first video I made of this Humvee. I drilled out all the holes, even in here. I had to remove this part, drilled out the hole into here, and these light up. So if you see the video, everything lights up on the rear as well. So also in the bumpers, I've got a separate little I made for the bicycle light, made a separate little unit here. Even in the front here, these two, they light up. And I even well, I filed off the fake what do you guys call these pulling eyes, and I bolted these on the rear as well. Made a little bumper for it, and also these are only for show. So, but anyways, let's get the body mounted. There we go. So yeah, but this set over here has the Traxxas ESC. Here I've got another set. Here I've got another little set. This one only has an ESC. So if your ESC breaks on your Humvee or something, or at least you have a backup. This is a Carson. Oh, sorry. Carson Series 2 Max ESC, and unfortunately only these two sets have an ESC, and I've got other parts that have the winch plate and the drive shaft. If you only want a drive shaft or only want a winch plate, just let me know, and we can get you sorted out, or I can get you sorted out there. If you like watching my videos, please hit the like button, the bell button, subscribe. I'd appreciate that a lot if you subscribe to my channel, because well, there's a lot of things that I would love to do if I earn a lot of money with YouTube, and that's also to help out people and animals, and build my own monster truck, put on a monster truck show, and raise money and donate money for people and for animals, for those in need. So but anyways, let's get on to the next video. Don't want to bore you too much with my blah blah blah, and well, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Alrighty then, bye bye, see ya. Oh, and stay safe, take care, have fun out there on the RC trails. See you guys in the next video. Bye.